It's that time of the year when love is in the air and it's time to show your special one how much you care for them. But what if your laptop or phone suddenly breaks down? Don't worry, Magnus is one-stop solution for all the mobiles and repair needed. They have wide range of accessories from cases to charger to earphone. So you will get great deals and brands at just one stop. So don't let your broken device ruin your Valentine. So visit Magnus and happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you for purchasing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.